Hi friends! Today I am going to talk about this app that I think is really helpful for teachers, students, and parents alike. This is called Class Dojo, and you can go to teach.classdojo.com. If you are a teacher, there are also different parts of the website that you can go to create like a student profile and the parent profile so that everyone can see each other's work. So here you see that I have made a school. Um, I will be showing you the demo class today. So this is my whole class. um, and these are already preloaded in there just so I can kind of show you around and how things work. So if I click on one of my students, Beyonce, I could give her some feedback to her parents. So I could say she's great at helping others, and I could go to Justin and let them know that Justin needs some work with teamwork, and I could put that on there as well. Let's see. If we click on portfolios, this will also show you a short video about how to use this. I created a activity earlier that's just called First Day Project. So what students can do, I asked them to please draw a picture of something that you want to learn about this year and to be creative. And then as students turn in their work, it will show up here. And I would click on each one, and when they are pending approval, they'll pop up here, and I can click on approve, uh, and then they would be submitted for me to grade. I can also click on individual students. We'll click on Jennifer, and this would show me Jennifer's portfolio where she could submit her work, and I could look at her work directly. So let's see, if I create an activity, we could call this um, science project for Earth. And let's say I want, please make a video. Please make a video describing the water cycle. I want to make sure that this is selected for the whole class, and then I'll click Assign to Class. And now that other assignment is also created. A class story, if I want parents to know what we're doing today. So, I mean, you can put whatever you'd like in there. It could be photos of what's going on. It could be files that you want to upload from your actual computer. And I can also message parents through here too. So if I want to message Justin Timberlake's parents, which they aren't actually invited because this is a demo classroom, I could do that as well. I think that this is a really good application, like I said, for students, teachers, and parents. I think that it's also very easy to use. So it being user friendly, I think is great. And it also seems easy for students to turn in their work. It's easy to make assignments and assign them to different students. And I can talk to the parents directly through this application. It also has, and this is a free version, teachers have it for free, and it also has an app that you can get on your iPhone or Android as well. I know several teachers that actually use this in a middle school setting, so it might look kind of cartoonish and fun for young kids, but this is for older ages as well. All right. Thank you for listening.